As a Bryant Factory authorized dealer, Seiter Services believes in more than repairing your heating, cooling, electrical, and plumbing systems. We believe in partnering with the homeowner, empowering them to make informed decisions about their home comfort, whatever it takes. Right now, we are offering 0% financing and a free water heater or water softener with the purchase of a qualifying HVAC system. Call the One Miami Valley Trusts. That's the experts at Seiter Services.
Our family taking care of yours. Call us today.